everyone. In today's session, we are going to talk about golden age of English literature, which is Elizabethan age. Before this, we talked about Anglo-Saxons, Anglo-Normans, then we also talked about the Renaissance period, which we call Age of Revival, how printing press came and how we see the Greek Latin literature came into prominence with the coming of printing press. But in today's session, we will be continuing with the series of British literature and we will see Elizabethan period. So सबसे पहले जब भी हम किसी एज के बारे में पीरियड की बात करते हैं तो हम उसकी टाइमलाइन देखते हैं. ओके, व्हाट वाज द टाइमलाइन? सो वी सी फ्रॉम 1558 to 1603. Okay, we see this period wherein we see the flourishing of art, literature. Edmund Spenser, Shakespeare, the very famous poet of English literature, came into prominence, came into limelight in this age. Okay, we see the flourishing of literature like Philip Sidney, the perfect Renaissance man. Then we also see that Queen Elizabethan, okay, जो Queen Elizabeth first थी हमारी, she was also known to be the Virgin Mary, okay, because she never married. So we see that she is also known as Virgin Mary, right? We see that with the coming of Elizabethan age, there was also political, religious stability in England, because of which reason the political, the literature, art also flourished. Okay, we see the political stability between the Catholics and the Protestants, right? And how did it came? We see a very important incident happened which was named Spanish Armada. Okay, Spanish Armada was the major event which happened during Queen Elizabethan period, wherein we see that England defeated Spanish Armada, which was known to be invincible, कि कोई उसे हरा ही नहीं सकता. And it happened in which year? It happened in 1588. Okay, in 1588, here we see that Spanish Armada happened. Okay. Also we see that Queen Elizabethan was the illegitimate heir. Why she was known to be the illegitimate heir? Because her father Henry VIII married 6 times and Catholic Church would allow only one marriage, but he converted to Protestantism. Okay, he converted to Protestantism so that he can marry Anne Boleyn, who was the mother of Queen Elizabeth. Okay, so we see that she was the daughter of Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn. Right? So we see because Henry VIII married Anne Boleyn, okay, second time, that's why she was known to be the illegitimate heir. But then with her audacious nature, okay, with her political stability, she regained the title of Virgin Mary, okay, because she never married and she was very much goal oriented, wherein she wanted England's success on the sphere of the entire world. Then we also see that she was the last of the Tudors. Okay, Tudor dynasty की शुरुआत हुई थी Henry VII के साथ और यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं that she was Queen Elizabethan. She was the last of the Tudors. Yes, she was the last of the Tudor dynasty. She was the last monarch queen of the Tudors. Okay. Also we see when Queen Elizabeth first saw that England has won against the Spanish Armada, she gave her important speech जिसको बोलते हैं Tilbury speech. And in that speech she said that I may have the body of a weak gender of a female, but I have a heart of a king, of the king of England. That although I am a female who is considered a weak gender, but then I have a heart of the king of England. So we see that these were the major points of the Elizabethan period, right? If we look at Spanish Armada, okay, what happened in Spanish Armada here? किंग फिलिप द सेकेंड। ओके, हम देखते हैं कि जो किंग फिलिप थे he was a Catholic, yes, he was a Catholic, and he wanted England to be Catholic, but when Queen Elizabeth came, okay, she was Protestantism, okay, she was following Protestantism, Queen Elizabeth, and King Philip had the fear that entire England will now turn towards Protestantism. Although there was religious stability, although Queen Elizabeth was not doing mass killing, just like Bloody Mary came and she executed the Protestantism because she hated them, okay, because she was a Catholic. But Queen Elizabeth, being a Protestant, never hated Catholics. There was this socio-political stability in England during that time, okay. तो यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं that she was a Catholic, sorry, she was a Protestant, okay, yes, she was a Protestant. So Spain, we see Spanish Armada, okay, ships from Spain came who were attacking England, okay, they were continuously attacking England, okay, but Queen Elizabeth, she motivated her army, English army, and then we see although geographical conditions also favored them, and here we see that storms came from this particular end, okay, and English ships also, English army also, they attacked Spanish Armada, and for the first time, जिसको ऐसा बोला जाता था कि कोई हरा ही नहीं सकता है, okay, Spanish Armada was defeated and England was victorious, right? So we see that there was a lot of destruction, fire which was caused in the sea, but at the end we see that Spanish Armada, okay, which happened in Spanish Armada, okay, which happened in 1588, okay, wherein we see that English defeated the Spain, and we see that with this religious and political stability was established in England, right? So this was all from my end for the Elizabethan period. हमारी डेली क्लासेस जो हैं सुबह 8:35 AM पे YouTube पर आती हैं, तो उसमें और भी आपको डिटेल ये लेक्चर मिलेगा जहाँ पर हम PYQs, MCQs भी सॉल्व करते हैं, और अभी हमारे ब्रिटिश लिटरेचर की सीरीज ही कंटिन्यू हो रही है। तो अगर आप इसको कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप इसी तरीके से पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो जो है आप हमारी डेली यूट्यूब पर क्लासेस देख सकते हैं।